Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm super excited to share with you a fantastic method that can help you make nothing less than $500 every single week online using Quora. The best part? You don't need to deal with any physical products, and there's absolutely no investment required. Plus, this method is completely worldwide, so no matter where you are, you can jump right in. So, without further ado, let's dive into today's video and learn how to make money on Quora. For those who may not be familiar, Quora is an online platform where people ask and answer questions on various topics. It's a big digital queue and a community where users share their knowledge, experiences, and opinions to help others learn and solve problems. You can find information on almost anything from cooking tips to tech advice. It's also a place to connect with experts and everyday people alike. What makes Quora a perfect site to make money online is that it encourages friendly discussions and fosters a community where people can share insights to other people's problems. Whether you're seeking advice, sharing your expertise, or just exploring new ideas, Quora is a space where knowledge is shared in a simple and accessible way. And that is what we can use to our advantage to make money online. Making money online can be accessible and straightforward, especially through platforms like Quora. First things first, you need to open a Quora account and sign up. It's a simple process. Once you've got your Quora account set up, the next step is to find questions related to making money online. You can do this by searching for topics like, what is the easiest way to make money online? Engaging with the community is key. Post comments on different answers. Share your thoughts on topics like affiliate marketing, starting online courses, or creating a YouTube channel. After participating in discussions on Quora, head over to ClickBank. It's a platform where you can find affiliate products to promote. Sign up for a free account and look for products that align with the topics you've been discussing on Quora. When answering questions on Quora, make it personal. Share a short and compelling story about your journey in the online business world. Talk about the initial challenges you faced and the eventual success you achieved. This personal touch helps readers connect with you. In your stories, subtly incorporate your affiliate links from ClickBank. Make sure it's genuine and relatable to strike an emotional chord with readers. To avoid long and clunky affiliate links, use bit.ly, a URL shortener. Copy your ClickBank affiliate link, shorten it with bit.ly, and get a neat, user-friendly URL. This ensures you won't get blocked on forums or websites. In case you want to talk about affiliate marketing, simply head over to ClickBank, navigate to the marketplace, and search for Super Affiliate System by John Crestani. This course doesn't just scratch the surface. It dives deep into the strategies and techniques of affiliate marketing, and it can make a real difference for the person that will be buying it. Once you find the course, click on the Promote button. A pop-up window will appear, and there you can generate your affiliate link or hop link. Simply leave the settings to default and make sure your ClickBank account user ID is mentioned. If it's not, input it manually. Click on Generate Hop Links, and voila, you have your unique affiliate link. You can use it in your Quora Answers. In essence, this strategy involves answering questions on Quora, providing valuable insights, and subtly promoting affiliate products through your personalized stories. If someone clicks on your affiliate link and makes a purchase, you earn a commission. It's a simple and effective way to make money online, and with ClickBank, payments are quick and hassle-free. I've personally experienced success with this method, making a decent income of $500 every week through affiliate marketing on Quora. So if you're ready to take action, you can definitely make a significant income online using this approach. That wraps up today's video on how to make $500 per week on Quora. If you found this information valuable, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future money-making tips and updates. Remember, the potential is real, and with a bit of consistency and smart actions, you can achieve great results. Until next time, bye.